7:16 p.m. Central Time on Saturday, June 23rd, 2012. And we have a very serious situation going on right now down in the south, in the Gulf of Mexico, going down to South Florida, also extending up through the Midwest, continuing on into the Pacific Northwest. So let's get right into it here. Down in South Florida, literally at the south tip of Florida near Homestead, just east of Miami, a possible tornado is detected, and that's right offshore. This is associated with this very large development going on here. What it is, this is Tropical Storm Debby. It's headed to the west-southwest right now, and it's headed towards the general direction of San Antonio, Austin, Houston. Several of the tracks have it going that way. So we'll have to watch this area for the next day or two. It looks like this will be heading northwest for the time being. A few tracks have it going to the northeast, however most go to the northwest. Now you can see hail detected as far north as North Carolina. That's heading east-northeast and west-northwest. Again, this is counterclockwise rotating, so you can expect these storms to travel east-northeast and west-northwest as the system rotates. Now in the Midwest, in North Missouri, just north of the state line going up into Iowa, heading east-southeast, damaging winds and hail detected. So we'll have to watch up there. It's going to pass down through Illinois and just east of St. Louis. And in the Pacific Northwest, we have damaging winds and hail detected. Another rotating low pressure system coming in on the west coast, going up into British Columbia, Canada. South of Calgary, we have severe thunderstorm warnings and watches issued by the Canadian Service. Now to see all this a little better, we're going to have to go to a different system. Let me take you over to College of DuPage. Okay, here's College of DuPage. You can see clearly a very large disturbance out in the Gulf of Mexico, showing in the high greens for cloud temperature, which is cloud height, of course, and density. So it's going up into Florida, it's counterclockwise rotating and actually heading to the northwest. So they have tropical storm warnings and watches issued for Louisiana, it looks like. It looks like New Orleans, pretty much the entire coast of Louisiana should watch out, going over into Mississippi as well, as far east as Gulfport. But New Orleans directly, watch out. Now, of course, the oil spill is out there as well, folks. This is the first tropical storm and a large hurricane to come through this area, so we might see some kind of oil slick develop on this. We'll have to wait and see. I hope nothing happens that way. Still looks like we have a tornado detected down here in South Florida, so be aware, folks. If you're traveling down there, you've got the highway that goes out to Key West here, so I'm betting there's very damaging winds out there. People are out there, so just let them know if you know anybody down in the area, okay? So this is a recent development, this tropical storm. Let's jump back over to College of DuPage and just take a quick look at the entire continental U.S., and that might give us a better idea of what's going on. We're going to turn on infrared, and then we're going to animate the map. Once the map is animated, we will turn on the color enhancement. So here we go, and you can see the storm swirling down here in the Gulf. That's our very large development. That's tapping into that southern flow that we've seen develop for the past several weeks right over Central America. It's kind of turned up and come across the Atlantic in a new flow on the jet stream. But you can see it there. It's heading to the west, and just be aware if you live anywhere in the Gulf states, that's not just Louisiana. You're looking at Mississippi, Alabama, also Georgia. You're going to get a tremendous amount of rain on this. It's not going to stop for the next day or two. Hang in there, folks. Much love.